Meaning of gesture.
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 Gesture. Gesture refers to a physical movement or action made by a person, often used to convey a message or express an emotion. It can be intentional or unintentional and can include movements of the hands, body, face, or other parts of the body. Gestures can be used in a variety of settings, including social interactions, public speaking, and performance. They can also be culturally specific and have different meanings in different contexts. Understanding gestures is important for effective communication and can help individuals improve their nonverbal communication skills.